Hey guys, welcome to Couch Potato Get Fit, and here we're dropping the Summer is Mine 4-week ab program. I'm here to help you guys get your abs shredded like some Trump tax returns. So right now we're going to go ahead and get this thing started off with some standing bicycle crunches, hands above your head. I'm going to touch that opposite knee to opposite elbow. I'm going to go for 30 seconds. Let's go, guys. Now overemphasize knee to elbow. Keeping that core nice and tight. Five, four, three, two, one. Now we're gonna go ahead and start off with some bird dogs. Opposite arm, opposite leg, keeping that core nice and tight for 30 seconds. Really want to get a good extension. Keeping that core nice and tight, guys. Starting you guys off very light for the first day, because I want you to build a good rhythm and gradually make gains over time. It's all about consistency. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to go straight off into planks for 30 seconds. Keeping that core nice and tight. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, we're actually gonna get started off with some leg raises. Now we're gonna stop 6 inches below the ground, lift up, slowly come back down, under control, 6 inches, up, drop it slowly back down for 30 seconds. It's all about control. We really want to get the stability going and work our lower abdomen. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, we're actually going to do what we call the spider plank crunch. So we're going to drive that knee up and out, like we're wall crawling like Spider-Man, for 30 seconds. Keeping that core nice and tight. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, it's all about keeping that core tight. Everything comes from the core. So once we get that situated, you'll be able to do any other workout. Now we're gonna go right into dead bugs for 30 seconds. Opposite arm, opposite leg. And we're just holding that. Just not allowing our arms and legs to touch the ground. We're getting a good isolation hold at the bottom. You really should feel it right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, we're gonna do what we call a reverse crunch. Put our feet together, and we're gonna work 30 seconds. Now go at your own pace. I'm telling you guys, it's all about consistency and getting those consistent results over time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, we're gonna go into a stabilizing exercise for the abs, giving you that stability in 30 seconds. Glute bridges. Now keep that core nice and tight. This also works your hamstring, but it's a great stability exercise for your center core. Any exercise, any workout is all driven from the center core of your body. So as long as you have a strong core, you'll be able to do practically almost anything when it comes to lifting weights or any type of running activity. A strong core makes for a better athlete. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, what we have here, guys, heel touches for 30 seconds. This is working our oblique muscles. Really want to reach for that heel. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, now let's go into one of my favorite, last but not least exercises, the Russian twist. Just keeping those heels off the ground. Make sure you get a good rotation. Alright guys, now we're going to go up to the abdominal stretch. Just want to loosen up those abdominal muscles. Laying flat, face down. Just extending up and getting a good stretch in. Stand up. You probably want to do this for a minute just to loosen the abs up, so we can go right into it the very next day and keep adding to our gains. Stand up. Now this just starts off with day 1 of our exercise for the Summer is Mine ab program. So I'm telling you guys, if you stay consistent, you'll get the results that you deserve. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, that was Couch Potato Get Fit. This is the Summer is Mine Day 1 ab program. I want you guys to get the results you need. Couch Potato Get Fit.